How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I just wanted to bring you a quick update because cryptos are moving up right now. Now, I don't know when you're watching this, but right now, Bitcoin is flirting with 60,000 again. We also have Ethereum close to 4,400, and this is pretty exciting. And I want to give you just one thing to think about, one mistake that you don't want to make, and maybe a new way of valuing Bitcoin. So if you guys don't mind hitting the like button and subscribe, this is going to be really short. I appreciate that. Also, there are links in case you want to check out the Patreon. I was buying last night. A little bit later in the night, I did buy some Bitcoin under 58,000. So if you guys want those updates, you can check out that link. And there's a link down there to BlockFi to get an interest rate on your crypto. But let's take a look. So the crypto market's looking good. Even just from like an hour ago, we saw a pretty big jump in the price of Bitcoin. You can't even see it on the 7-day yet, but you can see just this massive, not massive, but over $1,000 candle. Now, I think that this is looking really good for the cryptocurrency market, and I want to make sure that you don't make this mistake. Peter Thiel talked about how he underinvested in Bitcoin. Now, he was way ahead of most of us in investing in Bitcoin. He said that he thought that this was a secret that everyone already knew about. He thought everyone knew about it. And I think that's kind of a similar situation to where we are now. A lot of people think that it's too late on Bitcoin because, hey, it's 60,000, right? We're near all-time highs. And they think that it's not a good time to go long on it. But one way to value Bitcoin is looking at it compared to gold, and not like just saying, hey, gold's worth this much, Bitcoin should be worth 600,000. One way to think about it is if you think that Bitcoin's value should be higher than gold or as high as gold, and you say that there's like a 30% chance that it should be worth $600,000, which is about where that would jump over gold. There's a 30% chance of that happening, and there's a 70% chance that it's going to zero. That means that the value should be around $180,000. Under $180,000, that's a good risk to reward. Over $180,000, that's a bad risk to reward. Now we're at 1/3 of that. So people are basically saying there's only 1/10 a chance that that Bitcoin is worth as much or more than gold. And I feel like that is a terrible, terrible view of it. I think Bitcoin is worth more than that. It's easier to move. It's less manipulated. And I just think that it is a much better source of hard money, a much better form of money than we've ever seen before. Now, of course, there are going to be ups and downs. You pay for that. You pay for the performance of Bitcoin in the volatility of Bitcoin, but I don't want you to be like Peter Thiel. Now, of course, he has a lot more money than most of us. And of course, you don't want to put all your money in. You don't want to put money that you don't have to lose in because it could fall down. And if you have to pay a bill next week and you put in money in Bitcoin now, that's not good. But if you're looking long term and you're saying, hey, I should allocate more, but I am just a little bit scared, I think layering in makes a lot of sense. Now, I'm not putting all my cash in, but I continuously buy even on red days. I think that is key. Now, if we get above 60,000, I think that's very bullish. And that is actually what a couple TA guys said by the end of the week. If we close around 60,500, that's going to be very bullish. And I think for the end of the year, we're still looking ultra bullish in crypto. And I am not scared. I'm pretty excited about this. But let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Let me know what you think we'll be at soon. Do you think we're going to pop right back up, end the month really strong, or do you think we'll still stay around this range, or do you think we'll fall down? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Thank you for hitting the like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.